What's going on, guys? I thought we'd go ahead and talk about the most used tool, maybe the most important, that I regularly use here on the homestead. I use it for homesteading, for personal use, and for the fish and plants, Bishop Aquatics part of it. And yeah, it may not be what you're expecting. I had to think about it a little bit, but it gets used pretty much every single day. And it wasn't something I initially thought I would buy. It's not something I actually even did buy. It was a sponsor sent it to me, and now I would never not have it again. So in order to show you what I'm talking about, let's take a walk. Get out my way, palm tree. We're gonna have to go through all the fish equipment to the very end of our setup. And since it gets a little loud back here, let's go ahead and turn this off. There we go, a little bit quieter. So, this right here is actually the most used and probably most important thing that we have. It is the brand is New Aqua. It's an RODI filter, which means it's a reverse osmosis deionization water filter. This one itself is a 4-stage. Normally, they go up to about 7 or 9. They go pretty high, but 4-stage is still pretty good. I've had this one for over a year without replacing any of the filters. It's still working great. So essentially what this does is, well, hold on, let me back up. We're out here in Arizona. We have incredibly hard tap water. It's not fun to drink. It's super hard on the, creates hard water for fish. If your plants are sensitive to things in the water, chlorine, minerals, super high metal levels, they're not going to like the water you're feeding them. It's going to create mineral issues. So essentially what this device does is it takes your water down to a hardness of 0, which means there will be pretty much nothing in it. It'll be pure water. So if you need soft water for aquariums, or your plants need, let's say you're doing hydroponics and you want pure water, and then you want to add in the nutrients yourself, then you would want RO water. This is basically how you do RO water, except for it's deionized as well, RODI, at home. And this system, I think this one was like, I didn't pay for it. Like I said, it was sent to me for aquarium stuff. I think it's like $200. I'm not sure. But like I said, basically how it works is you have your fresh water come in, pumps into here. You have a freshwater output and then a wastewater. So there's 3 lines: input, useful output, and then waste output. And you just, this is basically how we have it rigged, where the freshwater comes out right here. And you can just put that water into anything you want. So these would be like the 5-gallon jugs you see people with in like offices or some homes. You just fill it up and then go put it back in the machine. Same thing, people bring it to like Walmart or those refilling stations, but you don't need to do all that. You can do it right from your house for free. Well, next to free. Anyways, I thought it was worth talking about how to use and why you might want an RODI system for your homestead, or really whatever. They're super useful. Catch you guys next time.